Welcome back to our channel. You say welcome back?
Welcome back to my channel.
So today we're doing a Trader Joe's haul for you guys. We also stopped by ALDI's, but we didn't pick up a lot of things from there. So I'm just going to show you some of our favorite things and some of our staples, and then some new things that we have tried from Trader Joe's. So let's start. Are you ready?
Yeah. We got some chips.
These are the unsalted organic white corn tortilla chips. They're really good, and to pair that, we got some salsa for it, which I'll show you in a bit. Okay, that's really loud. We got some multigrain cereal.
Then we got cereal.
Yeah. We got some
Lollipops.
lollipops, the organic Trader Joe's lollipops. We got some
Bananas.
and
We got some
avocados and sweet
and
potatoes.
sweet potatoes.
Okay, that's all that's in that bag. So we're on bag number 2, and we got some
Quesadillas.
for quesadillas. Yeah, handmade flour tortillas.
Quesadilla.
Careful, Mama. We got some multigrain bread. This is our favorite bread here now.
This is very food.
Your favorite bread? We got some PB and J bars for Olivia, like for a snack. It says they're soft and chewy oat bars with creamy peanut
That's
butter.
my favorite one.
Yeah, I tried it. With creamy peanut butter and strawberry fruit filling. That sounds delicious. Let's see how much sugar is in this. 11 grams of sugar, and it brings 6 of them. And then we got 2 cartons of eggs.
And eggs.
And eggs, yeah. All right, let's put this back. Or should we leave it out? I decided to take everything out so that you guys can see everything together at the end. Okay, next bag, we got some lemons. We used to buy a bag of red onions, but they would kind of get messed up right away because there's too many of them. So now I've been buying them like single. Okay, we got some lemon seltzer water. So we also got my favorite juice, which is the organic green tea lemonade. You guys should definitely try that one if you haven't already. And then this is our favorite couscous. That's couscous, right, Mama?
That's my favorite one, salad.
It is your favorite one. It's delicious. We've tried a few of their bags. There's one that brings chickpeas inside of it, which is really good. But this is our favorite because you can add whatever you want to add to it. I got a can of Cuban-style black beans because I've been doing beans, yeah. Because I've been doing ground turkey with tomato sauce and black beans. You could add corn, onions, green peppers, and then you could kind of make like a Mexican bowl for dinner with chicken or turkey. So we get the garlic aioli mustard sauce, and I'm not a big fan of mustard, but we love this on sandwiches and on our chicken burgers that we love, but we'll get to that back in a second. So we got tomato sauce, and this is for the black bean turkey corn kind of like Mexican bowl night that we're going to be doing. I got some rice, pasta, and cheddar mac and cheese. This is one of our favorites. It's actually gluten-free, but it doesn't taste like cardboardy, if you know what I mean. It tastes really, really good. This is our favorite chip salsa. It's the garlic chipotle salsa. And it's like, it's not spicy, but it has like a little kick to it, and it's a little bit like chunky / watery. It's so delicious. Do you love this salsa? Yeah, right? It's delicious?
Yeah.
So we eat this with chips, or when I make quesadilla with just beans and stuff. It's delicious. We got some smoked turkey breast. It has a delicious flavor. We got those chili lime chicken burgers. And we don't get burger bread for this, by the way. We use the multigrain slices of bread, And then we do this burger, which cooks really quickly, with cheese, and then you can add any type of salad you want to it, and onions, and then we do mushrooms, or a fried egg, or like anything like that. All of those things. It's delicious. I got a bag of zucchini. Sometimes I slice them and we do garlic soy sauce with zucchini, but sometimes I actually, don't jump on there please, but sometimes I actually steam these and then I blend it. And then I use that as my sauce for the mac and cheese, and that is kind of how I sneak the veggies in. I got that idea from Tiffany from Beauty and the Beast. I got a bag of kale and we cook this one. I don't like how it tastes raw. So you could get an olive oil and you could add garlic powder to it, black pepper, or like any of your favorite seasonings. It's pretty good. And I eat that in a wrap with hummus, or I eat it like in an omelet in the morning, or things like that, just to give you an idea. Then we got some Colby Jack cheese.
That's my favorite one.
It is your favorite one. And I got some of my favorite yogurts, which is the coconut almond. This is low fat with almond granola. So it brings like the granola on the side. It's kind of like those Chobani. Is it Chobani? And these are like $1, which is a good deal.
That's the perfect one.
Yeah, I got a few of those. And then I got some more yogurts, but they are in a different bag. And we also got baby broccoli, and this has been a game changer, guys. If you have like a toddler that doesn't eat greens, this is it. Because it doesn't have like, you know when you make broccoli, like the fat pieces and they're like filled with water, like when you bite into it and they smell like a fart. This doesn't like suck in as much water, and it doesn't smell like broccoli, like that strong broccoli smell. So Olivia loves these, and she actually dips it in hummus, or you can make it fun, dip it in avocados or hummus and stuff. This I never buy, but I wanted to try something new, and these are the whole green beans.
That's my favorite one.
We're trying to eat like more veggies, so. We also have Brussels sprouts from the last time we went that are frozen as well. The next thing we got was the chicken gyoza pot stickers. And these were Josh's pick. He likes to like have like snacks like this in the freezer. He got the chicken and vegetable ones. So I just want to say this is not what I get every week, obviously. Like, we don't get cereal every week because that lasts a little longer, or you know, we don't get like snacks every week. We get fruits every week. We get veggies. We get eggs and bread. But like juice and like all those things sometimes last longer. Or like our condiments. Is it condiments? Hello? Condiments last long, so we wouldn't buy this like every single week. So this is just like we were restocking. So I don't want you to feel like I buy all this much food for just 3 of us every week. Anyway, moving on. We got some butter, Earth's Best butter. This is our favorite. Anything? And this one's actually vegan, so that's your favorite ones. So then these are the other yogurts we buy. They're the coconut milk blueberry yogurts. I'm not a fan of like fruity yogurts, but Olivia loves it, right, Mama?
Yeah.
This is another yogurt. We got some hash browns.
Eggs.
Hash browns.
Hash brown.
And then we got some baby Bella mushrooms, which I said we use on burgers, or if I make like kale sauteed, or if I make omelets, you can use this for like anything. Or if I make soup, I also put mushrooms in there. We also got some handsome cut potato fries. And on burger nights, what I do is I sprinkle a little bit of, not sprinkle, I drizzle a little bit of olive oil, right? And then I put oregano, garlic powder, salt, pepper, cayenne pepper if you want it a little bit spicy. And then you throw them in the oven and it's like delicious. And now meats. So we got 2 packs of ground turkey. And some people think that Trader Joe's is expensive, but we also shop at ALDI's and I feel like it's the same price for the same amount of like meat. So like for this turkey, it's like $3, I think, per pack, just like ALDI's. They do have the more expensive option, but if you like pay attention, there's like a cheaper version too. And then I got a pack of chicken breast. And then I also got drumsticks for us, and I throw these in the oven with cayenne pepper, garlic powder, like you season it to your liking, and then you cook it on like low for like 30 minutes, and then in the end you put the heat up, and then it gets like crunchy on the outside. It's delicious. Delicious. Okay, so this was everything from Trader Joe's, and now our next little box here, I had to run into ALDI's really quick for a few things. So I'll show you what we got at ALDI's. We got some whole wheat bread for Josh, because this is the one he eats and takes for lunch. I got some mixed green, organic mixed green salad mix, just so I can have some salads during the week, because I've been working out. So I'm trying to like eat like 6 times a day instead of twice. Let me know if you can relate to skipping meals as a mom. And then I found this sauce, which is probably not healthy at all, but it's the Chipotle ranch dressing. Yeah, let's see if this is healthy. Well, it doesn't have much sugar in it, so that makes me feel a little bit better. But yeah, it doesn't really have anything good in it, if you know what I mean. So then I got some cane sugar, which I know is not the healthiest, but this is the sugar that we've been liking. I know, because it's not healthy, but we've tried like coconut sugar and stuff. It's just like not the same. And then Josh got roasted turkey for his sandwiches for work. And then I had to get some hot jalapenos from ALDI's. They're so good because they're not too hot. They're like mild, I would say. And then we got a pack of blueberries for Olivia. Look, I got you blueberries.
For me?
Yeah.
It
does, right?
like this.
And then the last 2 things we got were olive oil, which is another thing we don't really buy like weekly. It's just like maybe like a monthly thing. But yeah. Before I go, I also wanted to show you a few things that we already had that will be in my meal prep plan for this week's dinner. And this is the bolognese style sauce with the brown rice quinoa spaghetti pasta. And I also wanted to show you that I use these Trader Joe's organic breadcrumbs. These are our favorites. It's like the perfect consistency. This is the breadcrumbs we use for our breaded chicken. So make sure you check these items out as well from Trader Joe's. These are some of our staples as well. Okay, so that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like watching grocery hauls, leave me a comment down below and I'll keep making them. Or if you wanted more of like a grocery haul / meal prep video, I could do that too. If you like the video, please press like, and if you're new, you should subscribe to our channel, right, Libby? Yeah. Say thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Give him a kiss.